If you've ever shopped at Watson's, you've probably seen the ads and you've probably heard the news. If you switch to Watson's, you can save up to 80%. Tons of people have already switched, but not everyone yet. So we're putting them to the test, the switch test. Without showing the labels, let's see what our shoppers will choose, the leading brands or Watson's. Good afternoon, my name is Ines. So this is brand A.
Bango siya. Tsaka soft din siya sa balat.
Yung smell, okay lang, smile.
This is brand B. Try it on the other hand.
Hindi siya katulad dito na mas thin siya.
So this is brand A.
Yeah, it's just a bit difficult though.
Okay, do the same with brand B.
I will break it.
Yes.
It's very easy to break.
It's very easy to break.
Yeah.
Well, is it okay if we blindfold you?
Okay.
Okay, feel the bristles, the handle, the grip. Which one do you think will clean your teeth better?
I feel the letter A.
I'm gonna have you try out this brand A, and I want you to feel the grain.
It's more exfoliating.
And then I want you to try brand B.
Parang nakukutot siya.
Nakukutkut yung balat. I'm going to give you brand A first.
Mas easy siyang gamitin.
Mas madali yung gamitin.
This looks great compared to this one.
Try naman natin yung brand B.
Well, it kind of light.
Mabigat siya.
And then if you were to choose between the two, which would you actually buy?
Say A.
The better is for letter A. Product A as well.
Congratulations, Ravia! Because letter A or brand A is actually a Watson's label brand.
I like this one.
You like brand B better.
letter B?
Okay, well actually ma'am, you chose the leading brand. But did you know that if you would actually made the switch to Watson's, you'll be able to save as much as 80%. So would you make the switch to Watson's?
Of course.
Congratulations! Congratulations! You actually picked the Watson's label! Congratulations!
Nawala na siya agad, tapos mabango pa rin.
Very thick and cannot break.
It took me some time to break.
Yeah.
Dito na ako mas matibay.
Kasi ayun siya, mabilis siyang umeffect sa buhok.
Yan hindi siya sumasabit.
Okay po
Saka
siya.
madali siyang gamitin.
Opo.
The product has excellent quality and you're able to save 80%. You're able to get 70% savings and also you're able to save as much as 60%. By doing so, you're able to get 30% savings. Pag ito yung binili mo, makakatipid ka ng 55%.
I switched to Watson's and save.
I switched to Watson's and say.
I switched to Watson's and say.
I love it.
There you have it! With such great quality and savings up to 80%, it's no big surprise so many people switched. How about you? Take the switch test and find out for yourself.